softly in the quiet light. Breath becomes a gentle tide. Heart opens like a window wide. Truth arrives and sits inside. Presence fills the open air. Clarity shines calm and clear. Soul to soul in steady grace. Light grows warm in this shared space. Silence carries silver rain. Every word flows free of strain. Recognition rises like the dawn. Inner life sings a waking song. Presence fills the open air. Clarity shines calm and clear. Soul to soul in steady grace. Light grows warm.